In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to restore a file in Windows 11. Whether you've accidentally deleted something important or just changed your mind about a file you've tossed out, don't worry. Windows 11 has got you covered with a couple of simple ways to recover your files. Let's start by heading to your desktop. This is the main screen you'll see when you start up your computer, featuring the iconic Windows background and various shortcut icons. One of these shortcuts you should see is the recycle bin. It is typically represented by a small trash can icon. This is the first place to check for any files you've recently deleted. So let's find that recycle bin icon together. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on it. This will open up a window showing all the files you've recently deleted. Now scroll through the list of files in the recycle bin to find the one you want to restore. It might take a moment if you have a lot of files, but be patient and you'll find it. When you spot the file you're looking for, move your cursor over it and right-click. Right-clicking is done by using the button on the right side of your mouse or trackpad. This will bring up a menu with several options for that particular file. What you're interested in is the Restore option. Click on Restore, and this will immediately return the file to its original location on your computer. It's as simple as that, but what if you can't find the file in the recycle bin? Not to worry, Windows 11 has a feature called File History, which is a fantastic tool for those situations where you need to look a little deeper. Let's navigate to it by going to the search bar, which is typically located at the bottom of your screen on the taskbar. In the search bar, type File History. If your file history is enabled, it will open up a window where you can browse through saved versions of your files. Here you can search for the file you need. Once you've located it within File History, you should see an option to restore the file. Click Restore, and once again, it will return the file to its original location on your system. It's always a good idea to check here if you can't find what you need in the recycle bin, as file history can save multiple versions of your files. And there you have it. Two straightforward ways to restore files on Windows 11. Remember, it's always best practice to be familiar with these methods before you actually need them. This way, you're prepared in case of accidental deletions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay on top of your files in the future.